What is up, guys? In this video I'm going to be teaching you how to replace the brake light on a 2010 Subaru Forester. It's really easy. What you're going to need for this job is a 10mm and a plastic bag, and that's pretty much it. So you're going to start by loosening these two 10mm. Now here's the next step. You got to get this tail light out, and if you pull on it, it's not really going to come loose. It's that you're actually going to break one of the clips. You can't just pull on it. The trick to this is you need to kind of pull on it and slap it like this way. So watch right here, because you'll break the plastic clips that are in it. That's the trick. That's what you want to do. You want to hit it and pull it. If you don't do that, what ends up happening is you end up breaking this plastic clip or this plastic clip. If you just yank on it, it'll break this. You got to shock it like that. So here's your brake light. What you're going to do is do a quarter turn, and you could take this little one out. You could see how it's like dark and black and burnt. It wasn't working. Same for your running light, because this is a dual filament bulb. It actually has two bulbs in it. So you could take this bulb out. And when you get your new bulb, make sure you don't put your fingers on it. Make sure you use a plastic bag to plug it in, just like this, until it clicks. It clicked. So here's your light bulb, right? You got one of these. So what happens is this light bulb gets really hot, and if you were to touch it with your oil on your hands, when this heats up, what's going to happen is it's going to get really hot. It's going to get a lot hotter because of the oil. It'll be like cooking oil, and it's going to cause a bubble in the glass. And then what's going to end up happening is that's going to break, and it's going to make your bulb fail shortly after. Now it's just a quarter turn to go back in. Click. Tight. And tight. If this video helped you or you got some knowledge out of this, please smash that subscribe button.